Hello and welcome. I'm Carolyn. Thank you for practicing with me today. Today we'll gently soften the body and release physical tension. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle in. Allow your body to be fully supported. Gently soften your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Relax the muscles of your face. Now take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. Bring your awareness into your body, noticing any areas that feel tight or holding. Simply noticing. Now gently invite softness into these areas by breathing into them. Breathing in, soften your shoulders. Breathing in, soften your chest. Breathing in, soften your belly. Let yourself be supported by the space around you. Allow a sense of ease to spread. Silently repeat, I allow my body to soften. I am supported. Letting each exhale invite a little more ease. Stay here for a few gentle breaths. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take your time, slowly waking the body. Thank you for being here today. Until next time, May peace be with you.